Welcome to Kenya School of Technology Studies. Now we are going to look at fundamentals of information communication technology, topic being computer file, lesson 8. My name is Jackson Gachie, your instructor. Welcome. By the end of this lesson, the student is supposed to have learned definition of a computer, types of computer file, file design and storage media, file organization. Let us start with computer files, the definition of a file. A file is a collection of related records that gives a complete set of information about a certain item or entity. A file can be stored manually in a file cabinet or electronically in computer storage devices. Advantages of computerized filing system. Information takes up less space than the manual system, enhances data integrity and reduces duplication, and offers faster access and retrieval of data. Elements of a computer file. A computer file is made up of character. This refers to a letter, number, symbol that can be entered, stored, and output by a computer. The other one is field. A field is a single character or a collection of characters that represents a single piece of data. Records is a collection of related fields that represent a single entity. Computer files can be viewed in two ways. Logical file. This is the way the user views the file, content, and the processing to be carried upon them. Physical file. This is the actual arrangement of the file contents in the storage media service and how the processing operations are made possible. Types of computer processing files. The first one is master file. This is the main file that contains permanent records about a particular item or entries. Master file contains both static and dynamic fields. Transaction file. This file includes input and output files for holding temporary incoming and outgoing data. This file is used to update dynamic data on master files. Reference file. They are permanent or semi-permanent and are used for reference or lookup purposes. The other one is sort file. They are used where data is to be processed sequentially. Backup file. They are used to supplement the operation of files in case of loss by any reason. They are created anytime an update is carried out on the master file. Report file. They are used to prepare reports that can be printed at a later date, for example, list of absentees, overtime, etc. Let us now look at file processing activities. The first one is updating. Refers to changing data in master file to reflect the current status. The other one is referencing. Happens when it is made to particular records to ascertain what is contained therein. The activity does not alter the contents of master file from a file. The other one is sorting. This entails arranging of the file contents into some predetermined sequence of key fields which occupy the same position on the records. Merging. The process that combines the contents of two or more input files into one output file. The other one is matching. The input files records are matched or compared to ensure that records exist in both the files. The other one is summarizing. The records of interest from the file are accumulated to form a record in the output file. And the last one is searching. It entails looking for the record of interest from the file. Let us again go through file updating. Under file updating, we have several activities that can be carried out. The first one is hit rate. Hit rate is used to describe the rate of processing of a master file in terms of its active record. The other one is volatility. This is the frequency with which records are added to the file or deleted from it. The other one is size. It refers to the amount of data stored in the file. It is expressed in terms of the total number of records in the file. The last one is growth. Files will always grow as new records are added to it. There now marks the end of lesson 8, topic being computer files. Welcome to our next lesson. Thank you.